Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. So summer is here and with it comes a bunch of different skincare problems, and to combat that we need a good skincare routine, a specific summer skincare routine. And for that today here with me I have some products from Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. So first we have their Oxyblast Oxy Energizing Facial Kit. Then we also have their dermashade sunblock with SPF 30, and finally we have the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals O2C2 Radiance Cream. So if you guys want to know more about the brand, the products, and how to incorporate these in your skincare routine, in your summer skincare routine, then continue watching. So Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals is a professional skincare brand. It promises skin transformation through advanced diagnosis and also with advanced skincare actives. They have both their in-salon services like facials and treatments that can be done in your nearest salons by some skincare expert, and also they have their home care portfolio available as well. Currently the brand is available in 15,000 salons, and also they retail their home care portfolio on e-commerce websites as well.
In the 3-step wonder regime, step 1 is the Oxyblast facial kit. This facial kit is one-time use 7-step DIY kit that replenishes the lost oxygen in the skin and deposits nutrients in the epidermis so that the skin looks fresh and healthy and radiant. Each sachet is numbered, making the kit easier to use at home. So you might ask, why do we need an oxygen facial kit? So as we age, oxygen levels in the skin decreases, resulting in a loss of elasticity and formation of lines and wrinkles. Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast Facial is a 7-step monthly skin routine that replenishes lost oxygen, and the active ingredients helps to restructure the skin, leaving it healthy and radiant. Step number 2 is the O2C2 Radiance Lotion. Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals O2C2 Radiance Lotion is formulated to enhance the natural radiance of the skin. This hydrating lotion enhances collagen production, leading to smoother skin with fewer lines and wrinkles. This product corrects and restores balance to lackluster skin and dark patches and blotchiness caused by sun damage. Step 3 is dermashade SPF 30 Sunblock. Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Sunblock has a unique spray format and has a non-oily texture with a water-based formula. This sunscreen is formulated with vitamin C and niacinamide. The sunblock is suitable for all skin types, including acne-prone skin. The dermashade SPF 30 is specifically designed for the Indian skin and is known to reduce spots and brighten the skin. The 3-step wonder regime has been thoughtfully curated, keeping in mind the summer season and also common skin problems faced by Indian skin during summer. Starting with the facial kit, step number 1 is Oxyblast Cleansing Gel. The active ingredient in the gel is citrus lemon fruit extract. This pH balanced gel cleanses the skin and prepares it for exfoliation. I did feel while using the cleanser that the cleanser is mild and it has a gentle citrusy smell to it, which I'm okay with, and the cleanser did not make my skin feel excessively dry, and I applied the gel on my skin and my neck using circular motion, and after it I wiped it off using damp cotton. Step number 2 is Oxyblast Deep Peel, and papain is the active ingredient of the peel. This deep peel helps exfoliate dead skin cells and rejuvenate skin. So after applying the entire sachet of the deep peel on my face and neck, I massaged it and then I steamed my face for 3 minutes. After I was done steaming my face, I wiped the mask off my face using a damp cloth. You can also use a piece of damp cotton. Step number 3 is Oxyblast Skin Oxygenator. That is the toning step, which is used after cleansing and exfoliating to revive the skin and make it look fresh. Active ingredients present in it are zinc, PCA, and cucumber extract to calm the skin down. You can pour the entire content of the sachet on a cotton ball and apply it on your face using the cotton, but I like to apply it with my hands to make sure that most of the product is nicely absorbed by my skin. We are on to my favorite step. Step number 4 is Oxyblast Rejuvenating Serum. The serum has bisabolol and olive leaf extract as active ingredients, and the actives present in the serum help soothe and moisturize the skin and helps it getting firm. Once again, I applied the entire sachet of the serum on my face and neck using my hands, following it up with a quick 2 minutes massage, making sure that my skin absorbs the serum nicely. Step number 5 is Oxyblast Deep Penetrating Mask, and the active ingredient of the mask is vitamin E. This cream-based mask improves skin tone while nourishing the skin. The mask might feel a little tingly while applying it, which is a common thing while using masks with active ingredients. So the direction says to apply the mask on face and then place a cling film on face and steam the skin for 3 to 5 minutes, and after that leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go do all of that, and I'll be back after steaming my face and after leaving the mask on my face for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna wipe the mask off my face using a damp cotton ball. Step number 6 is Oxyblast Energizing Cream. The active ingredient of the cream is arbutin. This cream energizes and nourishes skin, making it lighter and radiant. I'm gonna apply the cream on my face and neck using my hands with gentle upward strokes. If you want to massage your skin even further with the cream, then dip your hands in water or some fruit juice and then continue massaging your face and neck. The final step, or step number 7, is Oxyblast Radiance Mask, and it has active ingredients like aloe vera, Canadian willow herb. This mask tightens and brightens the skin instantly. Using my fingers, I'm gonna apply the mask on my face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Then I'll leave the mask on my face and neck for 8 to 10 minutes, and after that, with the help of a damp cotton, I'm gonna wipe the mask off my face. I'm done with the facial. Now I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is the O2C2 Radiance Lotion by Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. The lotion improves the radiance and luminosity of the skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it has active ingredient bisabolol, which is known for its soothing activity. The facial kit is to be used once a month, but the O2C2 Radiance Lotion and the dermashade SPF 30 sunblock is to be used daily for radiant and glowing skin. Finally, to seal and protect all of these steps that I just did on my skin, I'm gonna apply the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals dermashade SPF 30 sunblock. The sunblock has a water-based formula which makes it the perfect sunblock for summer, as it does not make your skin oily. It is formulated with vitamin C and niacinamide that visibly reduces the damage caused by sun. The sunblock is specifically designed for Indian skin, and it is suitable for all skin types, including acne-prone skin. And it leaves behind no white cast on your skin, and it comes with a spray applicator which makes it so much more easier to reapply the sunscreen.
So it has been 24 hours since I used the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast Oxygen Energizing Facial Kit, and I must say, after doing the facial, I was looking at my skin up close with the mirror, and I did not spot like a single blackhead on my nose. I do have oily skin, so I do get blackheads all the time, but after using the facial kit, I did not see a single blackhead. So the mask, the cleanser in this facial kit did a really good job in thoroughly cleansing my skin, because most of the time our skin feels congested, especially during summer. Our skin gets congested really easily, and that causes a bunch of different skincare problems. So I must say that the facial kit did cleanse my skin really nicely, and after using the facial kit, I did notice that my skin wasn't only feeling and looking glowy and soft, but also it was looking and feeling fresh and new. Like if you do chemical peels, then you know exactly the feeling, like right after you do a chemical peel or a facial at your home or at a salon, how your skin feels new. My skin was feeling like that yesterday. So I must say, and also the price point is really like affordable. This kit comes for 300 rupees and you only have to use it once in every 21 days or once a month. So I think 300 rupees once a month is just perfect for a facial at home. So judging by the result, I must say, and also judging by the price point, I must say that the Oxyblast facial kit is a must try. It gets a big thumbs up from me. Moving on to the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals dermashade sunblock with SPF 30. Now there is no need to say how much sunscreen is important for our skin. You should use it no matter the season, no matter if it's summer, winter, or whatever the season is. So I've been loving this sunscreen. I've been using it every single day, and I must say I love the water-based formula. And I think the reasons why I would highly recommend this sunscreen to you guys is A, the sunscreen is water-based. B, it does not make your skin oily or greasy at all. C, it does not leave behind any white cast, as I showed you guys while applying the sunscreen. And D, it comes with a spray applicator. Like, how many other sunscreens have you seen with a spray applicator, which makes it so much more easier to reapply the sunscreen? Like after 2-3 hours of being out in the sun, you can just spray it all over your face, pat it in, and you are done. So I would highly recommend you guys to check out this sunscreen, especially to the oily skin people. You guys will love the formula. And finally, we have the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals O2C2 Radiance Lotion. I use this lotion in my nighttime skincare routine, and I must say I do wake up with radiant looking skin. I've also tried like using this Radiance lotion for a few nights, and then I stopped using it for a couple of nights, and I did see a difference when I did use it and when I stopped using it. So if you are somebody who struggle with skin radiance and skin glow, then this is a must try for you. The links to the products are mentioned in the description box down below, in case if you guys want to try out this 3-step wonder regime, or if you guys want to try any of the products. So that was it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.